Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I will solving a puzzle from volume 5 of the Glimpse Jamaica Through Word Search puzzle book collection. This book is a keepsake in large print, and it has 23 colored puzzles which are about Christmas time in Jamaica. So let me invite you guys to just chill out with me for the next half an hour or so, and let's solve a puzzle together. Which puzzle will we do today? Let's do this one. Popular toys. This is number 18, popular toys. These are some popular toys that we have in Jamaica. More so back in the day, at least up to 1980s. At Christmas time, these toys brought a lot of excitement to children. I remember being really excited to see what Father Christmas would bring. This puzzle has, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36 words and phrases. I'm going to be using white ink pen. So usually when I'm solving puzzles, I like to start from the outer edges and work inward. I just find it a lot easier. And then I kind of give the puzzle like a quick glance over just to see if I can find any words that is very obvious, and just go ahead and mark those off. And then I'll tackle it by looking at the list to the side. Okay, so from starting here, the first word I notice is doll. The word doll right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that if my pen will start writing. First word, doll. Moving along the edges. Here, pram. Then we have here tea set. Tea set is right here. Tea set. What else can I find easily here? Teddy bear. Right here. So I have here. And press on. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Are you guys seeing any words? Okay, here you see balloons. Balloons is right here. Balloons. Okay, there you go. Okay, balloons. What, anything along here? No. No. Let's look here. There's nothing there. Get over here. So, Lego. Lego is right here. Lego. Lego. Okay. All right. Lego. Oh, I'm not. Ticking these words. I need to check, putting check marks against these words. Let me challenge the CH because I see a clump of CHs over here. So I might be able to find some words on the CH. So we have Chiboom, Chick Chick, and Christmas hat. So let's see if any of these CHICK. So here is Chick Chick. Find Chick Chick right here. And so some people might be wondering, what in the world is Chick Chick? Why is the ink not flowing very well here? It's a bit jacked up. Okay, Chick Chick is like when you have, it's a piece of balloon. When a balloon, you have a balloon and it's broken. Well, it's kind of not easy to explain. I'd rather do a little video on it, and I think I will. Yeah, I'll do that. But that was fun for kids, you know, when you balloon, you know, you go to like Christmas market and you get a balloon and it pops and you're like in tears. I remember our grandmother, she taught us how to make a chick chick. That way, you know, you'd have something to console you. It's not the perfect balloon, but hey, what it's worth for a child, it works. Okay, let's see. What else can we find here? We said we're looking at the CH, the CHs. Spain is really not. Okay, here's another CH, CHIB, Chiboom. Chiboom was, let me get it going first. Chiboom. Okay. Chiboom is like little round, like they look like pellets. It's made from paper and it has some kind of sulfur on the inside. And then when you throw it and it hits the ground, it pops, it explodes. Oh, those were fun. Those were real fun. We'd throw them at each other, and of course, if it misses you, then it hits the wall or the ground or somewhere, and then it explodes. That was the fun in Chiboom. Any more CHs? Let's see. We have CH on the list. We have Christmas hat. Christmas hat. So let's see. Here's another CH. CHRIST. Right? Christmas hat. It's right here. Christmas hat. So Christmas hat. Okay. Christmas hat. And remember that's obvious. Ah, oh what? Yo-yo. Yo-yo is right here. Yo-yo. Yo-yo was a toy that was, you know, given mostly to boys. Not many girls get yo-yos. It's fun. It's actually a fun toy. If the boys would allow us to touch their yo-yos, we'd get a chance to play it, and it was fun. Okay, so where are we? What else can we find? Let me just look and look in the middle if I see anything that's pretty obvious. I'll go for it. I see the word gig. It's right here, which is a gig is like a it's like a top. What it is actually. But in Jamaica we call it a gig. And the boys were really very good at making these. The gig was made from wood. The boys would like carve this thing out and then they inserted a nail, and they use like cord, twine, to wrap around it, like from the nail all the way up to the side of this thing, and then they would like let it go, and it would just like turn like this. It was predominantly the boys who would have gigs as well. Where is it on the list here? Gig. G-I-G. Okay, you know what? Perhaps, yeah, here it is. G.I. Joe is right here. G.I. Joe. What? Anything else in this area? I'm thinking Fifi should be easy to find because it's a bunch of E's. So if I look, see where I can find a bunch of E's. Ah, here's some E. Fifi, it's right here. F-E-E. Oh, lots of E's here. Okay, Fifi. Fifi is there. Fifi right here. Okay, maybe we could find Viewmaster and Reel. This is the good old Viewmaster. This was like a super duper cool toy. I mean, it was the thing. You have a Viewmaster, I mean, you can just get a lot of friends because everybody wants to look through your Viewmaster. Where I lived in the countryside, that was a rare toy. In my little district where we live, a Viewmaster is a rare toy. So when somebody gets one, I mean, you would be the kid in that district. You'd be known because everybody wants to be your friend so they can get a look. Okay, let's see, where is Viewmaster? There are not many V's, so I could start searching for V's. There are not many V's in this puzzle. Here's a V. V-I-E, here it is. Yeah, M-A-S-T-E-R, so it's here. Viewmaster. Okay, Viewmaster. Wristwatch. That's the only word. That's, yeah, with W's. So that probably would be easy to find. Wristwatch. Do we have lots of W's here? No, not really. So I could start looking. Wristwatch. W. Author. Wristwatch. W. No R. Okay. Oh my gosh, did I pass it? Obviously. Wristwatch. W-A. S. W-R. No. I'm patient. And go through methodically. Wrist, W, C-W. Oh my goodness, where is it? Ah, here. See, I least expected it here because it's two words. and a number of letters, at least 10 letters. So I didn't expect to see it here, but there it is, going that way. So that's the reason I wasn't even focusing on here. And that just goes to show you can't do it that way. Or it could be anywhere. Wristwatch. Okay. Wristwatch. Ah, transformer right here. F-O-R-M-E-R right here. Transformer. Yeah. Okay. All right, since the section is almost finished, maybe we could finish this. Thunderbolts. Thunderbolts are like large firecrackers. And I remember when I was a kid, they were red in color, very outstanding. And they were like big firecrackers. They were large. I don't know. They look like a stick of dynamite. Well, maybe because I was small, they seemed so big, but they were powerful when you light it. And then we used to put them like under cans, like empty tins. We used to like kind of like put it under, and then you would light just that the wick. You just light it, and then you ran as far as you could, because it would just, it would burn all the way up to where the center of it is with all that sulfur, and then it explodes, and the can would just fly away. The can would get all dented and fly, like go flying. So that was really exciting as a kid to watch. Thunderbolts. We call them thunderbolts. Where is that? TH combination. TH, maybe here, THO, and TH. There are lots of T's. So this TH, TH, Thunderbolt, BOLT, Thunderbolt. Oh, come on, this pen is driving me nuts. Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt. This should be easy to find because it has 2 P's, skipping rope. So anywhere there are 2 P's, there are not a lot of P's around here. So 2 P's, skipping, yeah, here we go, skipping rope. Skipping rope. Okay, skipping rope. Starlight. Skipping rope. Stop. ST. It's here. Starlight. Starlight. Here, we're almost finished here. The one left, so let's just knock this off. Plain. PL. Where is plane? I am not seeing plane. N-E, here, P-L-A-N-E, right here, P-L-A-N-E. Plane. Okay, here. This section is almost finished. We just have comb and brush and dice. Comb and brush and dice. Let's see. Can we find comb and brush? Comb. Okay, C-O. Lots of C's. Oi. Oi, oi, oi. Lots of C's. Comb. C-O-M. B. C-O-M. C-O-S. C-O-C-O-T-E-R. C-O-M-B. C-O. Oh my goodness. What is this? C-O-M-B. B-R-U-S-H. Okay. Here we go. Comb and brush. Here we go. Right here. Comb and brush. Comb and brush. Dice. A nice dice. D-I-C-E. D. A-I-D-I-T. Where is dice? Dice. D-I-C-E. Oh dear. Oh dear. D. D-I. Here we go. D-I-C-E. Dice. Okay, so we finished that. Okay, we have completed a few here, so let's wrap this up. Guns and bullets. Oh my goodness, guns and bullets. That was a toy that the boys went crazy with. And then the day came when they had to like ban all, such a toy. That was not cool for the boys at all. Okay, gun and bullets. Where is this? Maybe I could look for the LL, the two L's. Make it a little bit easier, perhaps. L, bullet. Gun and bullet. Where is this? LL. L. Double L's. Double L. E-T. S, bullets. Where is it? Yes, S. Okay, so it takes the S. So we borrowed it. Gun and bullet. Bullets. Dominoes. Well, this is still a very popular thing to date in Jamaica. Oh, here it is. Dominoes. This one was easy. This one was easy. This is still something that's very popular. Oh my goodness, dominoes. It's a serious pastime in the Jamaican culture. Dominoes. It's just so much fun. Some people are so good at dominoes, they can like look in each other's eyes and figure what's going. I mean, to me, it's amazing. I'm not really very good at it. I'm not. I know how to match the numbers, and I think, there's a number of numbers, in the game. And so you just pay attention to that. But some people are like super duper awesome at this thing. It I don't know. It fascinates me, to be honest. Firecrackers. Okay, let's see. Firecrackers. Crackers. Firecrackers. Here's a K, but that's UCK. Is there anything with UCKA here? We'll finish here. Okay. Yeah, we have the word trucks here, so maybe this has to do with, yeah, it is. Cars and trucks. Good. I'm not going to pass this. I'm going to embrace this. Finding this like this. This is like a gift. Cars and trucks. Cars and trucks, rather. We're still on firecrackers. C. Firecrackers. F. Fire. Fire. F. IRECO. Crackers. Right here. F-I-R. Firecrackers. Firecrackers. What else? Let's see. Did we ever attempt bat and ball? Bat and ball, 2 L's. 2 L's. That shouldn't be so difficult. Here, 2 L's. Here. Right here. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm happy for this. BATNBALL. Ball. Bat and ball. Okay. Bat and ball. Right here. Board games. Board games. Board games. What would be easy to find here? Do we have a lot of B's? No, not really. So this probably shouldn't be too difficult. B's. Board. Let me start from the top. Board. Oh, right here. Right here. Board. Board. Games. It's not in the kindness. Board games. Camera. CAMCACAD. Card. Do we have something with card? Yes. Card deck. CARDDE. Yep, I'm taking it. I'm not passing up this opportunity right here. Not what I was looking for, but hey, I'll take it. Camera. Where's camera? There are not many C's really. A C A M ah, C A M E R camera C A here we are CAMERA 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 right here. Jacks, jigsaw puzzle, marbles, mouth organ, and piano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 left. Jacks. There are not many K's, so this shouldn't be difficult to find. There's a K here, and then there's C. Yeah, K here, there's C, but that's used. Here, jacks. Jacks, 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 jacks. Okay. Jigsaw puzzle. 2 Z's. 2 Z's. Z, Z. Z, Z, Z. Jigsaw puzzle. 2 Z's here. Z, Z, L, E. Puzzle. Sock jig. Okay. So taking some stuff from the G.I. Joe here. And we're coming all the way over here. Come down. And then we come across here. Jigsaw puzzle. Marbles, piano, and mouth organ. O-R-G. Piano. Piano is right here. Piano. Piano. Piano is right here. Piano. Toy piano was all that. All that noise. Bang, 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 bang. All morning, all evening. Oh my God. I drive my mom crazy. Poor woman. Oh God. Marbles and mouth organ. Marbles and mouth organ. Oh my gosh. Marbles, mouth organ. Okay, here is. Oh, we actually have one word here. Storybook. Oh, we have storybook. Okay, so we have marbles, mouth organ, and storybook. Almost missed storybook. Okay, let's see. Where are we? Marbles. Where is it? Here's, is this marbles? M-A-R-B-L. Yeah, it is marbles. So we'll come in here with marbles. Marbles. Okay, so now we have mouth organ and storybook. Where is mouth organ? Storybook. Okay. Here. O-O. The O-O. Storybook is right here. Storybook. Storybook. And mouth organ is, let's see, M-O. Anybody sees mouth organ? Which is the same thing as a harmonica. Oh my gosh, where is mouth organ? Let's see. M-O, 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 no. M, 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 M-O-D. M-O. M-O-U. Maybe it's sneaking somewhere here. M-O-U. Oh my goodness. Here it is. Mouth. And it's right. O-R-G-A-N. Mouth organ. It was right in between there. Mouth organ. Okay. That's the end of that.